Aero Marine Tax Professionals, if you're thinking about buying an aircraft, I would check out the possibility that you might qualify for sales tax exemption in the purchase of the aircraft. They know the rules, they know the laws, they know the exemptions, and both Tom and Julie are expert in terms of what they do. And even if you don't think you might qualify, it's worth the look. But if you do qualify, then they're the go-to people in terms of the sales exemption, the rules, the criteria. And for me, like I indicated, it's a slam dunk in terms of getting through the process because they're the experts. They walked me through all the steps, all the requirements, all the documentation, what to do, what not to do, how to stay out of trouble, all the legal and tax implications of what was necessary. So, and then, if I had a question, I either emailed Julie or called her, and sometimes she was 3 hours difference, and it was 11 o'clock at night, and she was always responsive, and Tom. They guided me based on the purchase of the aircraft, the tax implications, and even after paying the retainer fees to Aero Marine, I probably saved in the neighborhood of $10,000 to $15,000. You don't want to have to come up with that money out of your pocket in one fell swoop. That's a lot of money to come up with. So, of course, I'm just a small pebble in the pond. But when you're talking, jet aircraft and multiples, then you are talking a lot of money. So, but for me, for that little sum of money, that was a huge relief. I would recommend Tom and Julie with Aero Marine Tax Professionals. I think the word does say it all. Aero, so flight, any type of business aircraft, or marine, any type of marine craft, and professionals. And they are professionals. They know what they're doing, and I would recommend them in terms of any due diligence that you might be considering.